Hey guys, what I'm about to show you today is so grand, so big. It's going to make sure that it puts more money in your pockets and more leads to you even when you are sleeping. So that's my guarantee to you today. So keep in mind, this MyChat app platform, it works on any website. WordPress, HTML, PHP, MamboJambo, and yes, Billy, your website too. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick tour of the front end, and I'll go ahead and come back in and show you how everything is tied together. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have it set up on my website here, WordPress. Very simple. So right now, I'm online. If somebody comes to this site, they can chat with me right here. So let me show it to you, okay? So I click on it. Now, I purposely made it so it doesn't ask for name, email, or phone number. I haven't enforced it. Now, I could. So, hi, I need help, right? Let's say somebody says that. And hear that? Did you hear? Woo, woo. Let's come back here. And you'll be able to see it right here. And chat. So, right here. So, if somebody says they need help, okay? So, that's good. Let's go ahead and send them a canned response from here. Greetings. How can I help you, right? So that's pretty cool. So you can send a message like that. You can also go ahead and see their information on the side here. So name, local time, IP address, department, computer, URL. Can they upload a file? So if you want them to send you a file, you can enable it right here. So let me show you. Can upload a file. It's enabled here. We can always disable it from here. We have a knock feature. It's going to make sure that you can knock on them if they are asleep or if they're not responding. Okay, you got that. Notes. You can also transfer them over to a different department. And of course, you can end the session by clicking this button. You can also go ahead and see pinpoint their exact location here as well. So that is pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go and show you a couple of things here. So I'm going to go ahead and disable it right here. I can also go and send them an image just like this. My picture here, I can send it just like this. Very simple, very cool, and they'll be able to get it right here on their end here, just like that. Okay, that's that. You can also go ahead and redirect them to any website. Like for example, if I want to send them to Google, I can do that. Now, how would you use this on a real life, example? You would send them to card. Okay, you would send them to ticketing or knowledge base. That's what you would use this for. Okay, now let's go back to our client area, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and refund, I want refund or something like that. And if you'll get a ping notification here as well. Now watch one, okay? Watch one thing. So if I click on this little pencil, I can change the name. So Nick, okay? I can put the name Nick here, and I can also go ahead and put up a phone number here as well. Now when I do that, when I go back, their name has been set here. Now I can go back and I'll be able to see, if I refresh it, I can see their name, updated information here as well. So that's that. Let's go ahead and in the session from here, in session, yes, you can do feedback and send feedback, and you can also go and send them get a transcript as well. So that's it. That is how it works when you are online. Now, what happens when you're offline? Okay, I'm going to turn myself offline. Keep in mind, our system also has business hour feature as well. I'm going to go and refresh it real quick. In this case, I am offline, right? So it's pretty much going to be just a form. Just an example for you. And got that here, accept, send. Now, when you do that, what's going to happen is it's going to go and send that over to this little place here. Contact history, and guess what? It's right here. It's right here. So that's there as well. So then that's the offline message right here. I can respond to Dennis right here. Thanks, Dennis. I will call you tomorrow. I can do that as well. Very simple, very easy. I can also go to client history and see what the conversation was between those people. Very nice, right? So that's the feature. Let's go and take a look at the dashboard real quick. Okay, so dashboard is pretty grand. It's too many features to go over in like few minute video, but I'll give a quick one. So if you go to your profile, If you go to your profile, you'll be able to set up your name, email, your invitation message, your password. You can even go ahead and get notification on your phone with push over right here, and WhatsApp number. You can also go and set up your business hours so that you are available on those time, even if you just leave your computer on. So that's what business hours feature is for. So you got that, and people can also see that information as well. Let's go back here. That's the dashboard. Now, first thing we have is online visitors. Now, what is this feature? You're thinking, right? What is this, right? You're thinking. So basically, you'll be able to see who is online, what are they doing, all that good stuff right here. Very nice. So I'm not online. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to put myself online here. Online. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page so I can show you a really cool feature, okay? So I'm here. So guess what? Now online it shows you here. I can even initiate a conversation by clicking here. Want to talk? I can do that and send a message to that person even though they have not asked to talk to you. That's how cool this software is, okay? That's that. Now online, that's client history will show you all the conversation. Contact history will show you offline messages. Files has your files that you can send out to your, it's like canned files, images. We got canned response. That's how I sent that greeting. So you can set it up and you can just go ahead and boom boom send it out. Auto proactive is my favorite feature because what it does is pretty cool. Let's take a look at it. So I'm going to delete it. So let's say somebody goes to this link, or it could be card, right? Enable it, right? You can set up a ring. So example, right? So if they're on the site for like 1 minute and haven't checked out, you can say, hey, do you need help with checkout? Do you get that idea? So that's what it does. I'm going to do 5 seconds, first time visitor, greeting. Do you want to buy? Just whatever, Yes, no, you get the idea, and save. So every time somebody goes here and doesn't do anything for 1 second, that's pretty bad. You should do like 2 or 3 minutes. It will go and send that message to, it's like, sending an invitation message, depending on the time frame. So that's the feature. So there you go. It asked me after 5 seconds if I want to, talk or not. It's right here. So that's how it works. Okay. That's proactive message. We got chatbot. So pretty much if they, use one of these keywords, it can actually go and respond back to you automatically if you want to. And departments, you can have as many departments as you like. Answer tech, this is the same concept, just offline messages, and you can have it on different languages. So our system does all these languages. Okay. Users is pretty much your operators or your staff. So for example, let's say you want to add more people to support, you can do that right here. Stat, this is your information, this feedback, all this cool stuff. Settings has your information about how you want to use your thing, your time zone, and all that stuff. Chat widget allows you to, pretty much 2 ways. So one way is to copy this code on any site. Number 2 is using this link. This link, you can put it on your email marketing campaigns or whatever. Let's say you start an email marketing campaign and you say, hey, got a question, you can talk to me here. That's pretty awesome. And people can talk to you directly from here. So that's feature. You can customize pretty much everything, guys. Animation. I'm not gonna even go over it, but just letting you know that, hey, you can customize. Look at all these things. Email, all these crazy things. Look, you can customize every single thing here. I promise you, okay? And everything is explained on tutorials. Now buttons, these are just the buttons. Be as fancy as you want. If you want to blacklist things, more settings, maintenance, and logs. Those just maintenance things that is actually for us. So that's it. And you can also go ahead and submit a ticket from here as well, and that's it. So that's the platform for you. So yeah, that's the platform for you. And yeah, if you take a look at the sales page, and if you have any questions, please let us know. But here's the thing, guys. I think you should just go ahead and buy it because there's a surprise at the end of the sales page. Take a look at it. Look at all the features. And I promise you, the price you're getting it at, you won't be disappointed. And you get unlimited, chats, unlimited operators. You can also get reseller accounts as well if you want to resell it to other people. So the price is perfect. Everything is perfect. I need you to take an action right now.